Your voice is low like cigarette smoke, filling up the space I can't ignore. We're lying close, but I feel lonely, like I've been here before. Your eyes say stay, your hands say nothing, and I don't know which one is true. So I keep my heart in my pocket like a secret from you. I watch the ceiling, count the seconds, trying to calm the storm inside. But my mind keeps making movies where you leave without goodbye. And you don't even have to hurt me to make me scared, 'cause love taught me a long time ago that it disappears. It's white noise in my head again. Your silence gets so loud, it feels like the end. It's white noise when you pull away. And I can't tell if you're staying or just fading out the same. So hold me close or let me go. Just don't leave me halfway in the smoke with this white noise. Of a window in the rain, everything looks like a memory, and it's driving me insane. You say you're fine, you say you're tired, but your distance says I'm gone. And I'm tired of decoding all the things you won't respond. I don't wanna be dramatic, I don't wanna start a fight. I just wanna feel you here, not just physically at night. My friends say love should feel like safety, but I feel it like a test, like I'm always on the edge of losing what I never said. And you don't even have to hurt me to make me scared, 'cause love taught me a long time ago that it disappears. It's white noise in my head again. Your silence gets so loud, it feels like the end. It's white noise when you pull away. And I can't tell if you're staying or just fading out the same. So hold me close or let me go. Just don't leave me halfway in the smoke. If you're leaving, do it clean. Don't haunt me in between. Don't kiss me like a habit, then act like it meant nothing. I'm tired of guessing weather in your eyes and your tone. I'm tired of sleeping next to you, feeling alone. So tell me the truth in slow motion, let it hurt if it must, but don't let me drown in the quiet you call love. It's white noise in my head again. Your silence gets so loud, it feels like the end. It's white noise and I'm wide awake. I can't keep loving someone who won't say what they mean to say. So hold me close or let me go. Just don't leave me halfway in the smoke with this white